I literally just came back from the Polish conference, From Aging to Longevity, From Cell to the Organism, and here are my random findings concerning diet. Bear in mind that I have not analyzed the papers myself, I'm literally just quoting from the speakers, who were all the researchers themselves, doctors or professors. Then the first finding I learned is actually about alcohol. Many people drink red wine because of its supposed content of antioxidants, such as resveratrol, but one of the professors said that he would have to drink 15 liters of red wine at one sitting to actually have any marginal effects of this antioxidant. Continuing with alcohol, only 4 grams of pure ethanol, that is the purest alcohol, a day is having any hormetic effects. That means anything above 4 grams per day is detrimental to the organism. And literally the graphs I saw were just horrible. So no alcohol for anybody, actually, as I understood from this specific speaker at this conference. Then speaking of harm, I learned something very painful to me as a Polish person because we have a lot of processed meat in our culture, the sausages, the hams. But apparently, processed meats is in the same category as alcohol, tobacco, and even mustard gas when it comes to being oncogenic, that is creating risk for cancer. So I will be thinking about this at my next dinner in my country when I come back. And then the speakers also talked about calorie restriction. This is the most widely studied diet when it comes to healthy longevity. In mice, this phenomenally elongates the lifespan. In humans, we are waiting for more reliable studies. However, the diet is only beneficial when you eat highly nutrient foods. So calorie restriction basically means fasting from different periods of time. And there are many calorie restriction mimicking diets, such as intermittent fasting. But this only makes sense when you eat actual, real, nutrient-dense food in between. However, when we talk about nutrient-dense foods, I also learned something about the ANDI scale, which gives foods score from 0 to 1,000 when it comes to their nutrient density. And in this scale, a bottle of Coca-Cola is 1 and kale is 1,000, which is the highest score. This makes me concerned because of the high amounts of oxalic acid, which is like a very potent, when consumed a lot, anti-nutrient found in kale. So this is just a comment for you that think twice, research before you blindly trust anything on the internet. And just think critically in any area of life, not only healthy longevity.